सर्वांके नमस्कार. मिकेला येन प्रयत्नी तिमळारी अंगेल न पिडिके अंगेलने खाना जेवण सगळं होळका तनी कोडका हळलसना एक प्रयत्न मिकेला तवडी तुंद सगटांके पावोंका मुळने मिकेले विनंती वीडियोस लाइक कराय शेअर कराय आणि सब्सक्राइब कराय.
गुदगया साली उपकारी गुदगो नाला जीवी कड़गीचे दाट साली कानू स्वादिष्ट उपकारी करियात. कशी म्हण करतवे? Got this fresh breadfruit 3 days ago, but could not use it right away. So I usually refrigerate by keeping it in a bowl of water or in a plastic cover like this for retaining its freshness. So first wash well, then cut into half. And then water it. Scrape the dark spots lightly. Now start cutting out the skin like this. It should be a little thick along with a little of the flesh. The rest of the peeled pieces you can use to make upkaris the usual way and other delicious dishes. Now we have collected the peels. We need a small potato for added flavor. You can also use a few jackfruit seeds too. Now to make thin slices of the skin, and drop in a bowl of water so that they don't darken. Likewise, peel the potato and slice it thinly too and drop in water. Now wash thoroughly and keep aside. In a pan or kadai, splatter mustard seeds. Add 1 or 2 red chilies and a generous amount of hing to aid digestion. Add the slices and a little water to cook. Stir in between and cook until done. Serve hot with rice or veg for a very flavorful meal.
More details refer to our website kkaj.in.